What's up guys, my name is Aditya and welcome to AGT Tech. Well guys, in this video I'm going to be discussing regarding the upcoming iPhone 12. I'm going to be discussing regarding the new compact form factor and in short how exactly this iPhone is going to be a very unique iPhone. And guys, if you're new to my channel then definitely consider subscribing to my channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, first of all I want to ask you a question that when was the last time you saw a small flagship phone? Well guys, recently every single smartphone is way bigger. Take example of 2020, the Google Pixel 4 and the iPhone 11 Pro are considered as a small flagship phone, but in reality the iPhone 11 Pro is of 5.8 inches. So in short, all of the smartphones are getting bigger and bigger, and because of this small smartphones are very rare nowadays. Like take example in 2012 and 2013, at that time Android manufacturers started to make big size smartphones because they wanted to make appeal to people that whenever you get a bigger smartphone, that is way more worth it. So Android manufacturers wanted to convey this to people that if you will get a bigger smartphone, that is always better. So because of this, in 2014 Apple launched the iPhone 6 and 6 Plus, which was way more bigger form factor. After that time iPhones have become bigger and bigger and better. Guys, in 2016 Apple launched the iPhone SE, but it was not a flagship phone, it was a mid-range phone by Apple. So guys, this year Apple is going to be launching the iPhone 12. I have already discussed a lot about this smartphone, but in simple words, it is going to be a compact smartphone. But other than that, there are not that much compromises. Take example, like you're going to be getting a dual camera setup similar to the iPhone 11. You're talking about a 12 megapixel primary camera and a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. You're talking about 5G support. You're talking about Apple's A14 Bionic chip, which is going to be the fastest chip out there. Not just that, you're also talking about a 5.4 inch OLED panel with 60 Hz refresh rate and a much more improved Face ID. And guys, considering all of these things, this is a truly flagship smartphone. Like it is going to be having an IP rating, a wireless charging support, and overall it is not at all a budget or a mid-range phone, and Apple is going to be possibly pricing it for $649. So combining all of the things, this is a very good price tag. So guys, with big smartphones, all of the manufacturers get lot of space inside the smartphone, so they can increase the battery size, they can add couple of more cameras, and in short they can utilize the entire space. But whenever you're talking about a small smartphone, it is very hard to add all of the crazy features in such a small body. So guys, I'm really excited for the battery life of the iPhone 12 because already the 5G technology requires lot of battery, and on the other hand this iPhone is going to be very much smaller. So there are two chances: either Apple will introduce a dual layer sandwich battery, or else they will introduce a L-shaped battery. But guys, I'm really curious for the battery life of the iPhone 12, and overall it is going to be a complete flagship phone. And guys, it is very simple for any manufacturer to add crazy features in a bigger smartphone, but whenever there is a question regarding a small smartphone, it is very much difficult. So guys, everyone likes to use a small smartphone, but currently the Samsung Galaxy S10e, the iPhone SE, and the Google Pixel 3a are only the small alternatives. And if you are talking about a flagship level smartphone, there are no small phones. So guys, with the help of the iPhone 12, Apple is going to be giving everyone a small and compact offering. Well guys, the iPhone 12 is expected to come with 128 GB as the base storage configuration, 4 GB of RAM. You're talking about a dual camera setup, and all of these things in a small and compact body. So guys, I am very excited for this iPhone because it is a very big challenge on Apple to provide such a great specifications in such a small form factor. So guys, let me know in the comment section, will you prefer a small and a compact smartphone, or will you prefer a smartphone with a bigger display? So guys, thanks a lot for watching this small video, and guys, if you are new to my channel then definitely consider subscribing to my channel, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.